Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up your TSB account and activate your mobile banking. So first thing first, you will be needing TSB Bank application. Make sure that you have installed it and open it once you're done. As it is, so you will see a page like this. Now here it will show you two options. You have to tap on login/register. As it is, so tap on register for digital banking. Now here you have to select what type of account you have in your TSB. If you have current account, you have to tap on current account, and likewise so for others as well. In my case, I have a current account registered in my TSB, which I would like to convert into my digital payment wallet. Tap on current account here and simply tap onto sort code here and type in your sort code. Once done, type in your account number at the second box, then tap continue. And likewise, guys, you have to follow the on-screen prompt till here, and then you will be able to activate your mobile banking for your TSB account. Just like so, guys, this is how easy it is. We will catch you up in our next upload.